Ito po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tigaraw na nagamit ng 5 araw na may total meters na 19. Ito po yung printer head. Ito na po yung cupping. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Andito naman po yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Andito naman po yung waste tank na is ng Friday. AVR na may 220 volt and ground wire. Andito naman yung stock namin ng use, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa Cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist.